A scam that's become so normalized that we don't even realize it's a scam anymore.
Motherhood. Now, before you get upset, this is about how society talks about and deals with motherhood, right? Okay, so let's go on a journey. When you're young, you're told, oh, you need to be a wife and you need to be a mother, and like that's how life is complete and all these things. Whether or not that's true for you, that's what you're told, especially by the men folk. Okay, so then you get pregnant and you're excited, but then everyone is also excited for you. Oh, you're glowing. You're beautiful. That pregnant body is beautiful. We love it. We support you. Oh, that baby bump. And they tell you all the beautiful things about being a mom, and you're so excited. And it takes a village, you know, those things. And then you have the baby. And society does a whole 180 on you. That's where the scam comes in, because that village that they acknowledge you need does not appear. That support system is not in place. What? And those same men that said, you need to be a mom and that's where your value is, are immediately going to say, well, yeah, but your value goes down now that you have a baby. I'm sorry, what? You just created life and somehow you're less valuable? No. And also that body, that beautiful glowing body, the same body that created life, you know, did this magical thing that everyone was just like, we love it. Well, now that needs to change. Now you need to go back to the body you had before baby, which is almost impossible to do, but you need to do it, and you need to do it quick. And society's going to give you applause the faster you do it, whether it's healthy or not for you. You could still have stitches down there and you're going to be told that you need to be losing weight. What?